Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to thank all my new subscribers that have subscribed to the channel and following us along. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and keep up with us. I'm Chris, Holly Ridge Homestead, if you haven't figured that out yet. And today we're going to be working on my road. I'm losing my ditches to, well, it's just been 6-7 years since we've done any work on the ditches, done any work on the road. Since new construction. But anyways, I need to get these ditches cleaned out from here and up to this curve, and then do some grading right here. I've got one load of rock, but I'll take you up here and show you where my main problem is. All right, so we're up here on the main part of the road and we're going downhill. You probably can't tell this, but it's a gradual downhill slope, and right behind you is the utility pole, and we have underground electric that comes down and runs right down the edge of our road and on down to the electric box, and then it goes to the house. Well, they dug this used to have a nice ditch right through here beside the road. All the water ran off, never had any issue. Now my ditch is gone and it comes right down the road, and I'm going to cut this edge down over here. I'm not going to dig down too far. I've already started taking out a few trees to kind of get this a little bit more of a slope that direction, so the water will start kind of cutting away from us. I've got one large pine tree. I don't think I can pull it, get it down with my tractor, but this smaller stuff right here is about all I'm going to go, because the water just starts right here, and then we'll push it on down that way. I was able to get the like I said, I've already gotten some of the trees out with my tractor, and I'm using this Armstrong Grapple bucket to do it with. It just pushes them over and plucks them right out, and lift it, and I take it to my burn pile. Alright guys, I'm gonna take this grapple bucket off, but I wanted to show y'all something real quick. Some people don't realize John Deere is trying to force you to buy their attachments, and there's regular quick attachments that most people are used to, that most tractors and heavy equipment manufacturers produce, where you just go up and you push 2 latches down. This one is not that way. Now there's an attachment kit that you can buy and replace all this for that purpose, but now I'm a little bit too far past that. I went off and bought this, and that pretty much ruined it for me. I don't really see me needing much more than maybe some pallet forks and probably a hay spear. I move my hay with this, but I can see where a hay spear would work. But anyways, this this silver lever right here, you pull it out and you slide it over, and it releases for you to be able to back out and move off. So all I need to do is disconnect my hydraulic hose, pull this lever out, and then hook up to the bucket. It's real quick. I don't like it, but I'm past that. Y'all seen it wasn't that difficult to change over attachments, but you've got to have that attachment and the arms in the right area to release the pressure off that pin. It's just easier with regular skid steer attachments. But anyways, so here's the game plan. I'm going to use the edge of the bucket and start coming down this right here. And what I want to do is I just want to start taking dirt from this side right here. And what eventually happen is my tires will go into the trench that I've already started cutting, and it will start changing my angle of the machine to stay out of the gravel and cut just more on this side. Now I can't go down too far. Like I said, there's an electric line down here at about 3 foot deep, so I know that it's there. I was here when they installed it, and so once I get on down here, I'm not too worried about it away from it, because it was right on the edge of my rock. All right, so that's not working as well as I want it to by coming in on the side. So what I'm gonna do is, I've got room, I'm gonna change angles and just come in perpendicular to it. That way I can control how far I want it to go down, and then if I want to later I can dress it up. But right now I'm just gonna come into the side, pick some scoops out, and that'll start creating that ditch down through here. But this is not, it's not as easy on a tractor to do things like this. Usually on a skid steer, they're a little bit more nimble, or mini hoe, which I don't have either of those anymore. So I'll go through here and I'll start scooping out some more dirt, and I'm not really worried about how pretty it looks in the end. The leaves and the sloughing of the rain will make it pretty again. Man, you guys are having a hard time. I'm trying to get some good pictures here for you, good video, but guess I'm just going to have to use the tripod over here. All right, so y'all can see how I'm starting to create something of a ditch here. I can't go too much deeper because I can actually see the old trench line from when they dug the electric in, and I'm starting to see water which is coming from the trench line. So I'm about to change angles and then just kind of smooth this ditch out, and then I'll continue on down towards the end, cutting out, and all it's going to do is just have the water come into here instead of on my road. But I'm not going to continue to video this part of it. This is kind of boring, and it's going to take me a little while, and I've got a wedding to go to tonight, and we have a rodeo tomorrow. All right, guys, I got it all dug out like I need it. Water should hit this ditch and move on down and miss all my area where I've been losing my rock and creating a ditch in my road. And it's getting late. This video is getting too long. The next video will show me putting some rock down, adding, grading it out, and then using this woods land planer. Y'all need to see that. If you have a gravel road or dirt road, y'all need to maintain. But it looks pretty good. It's a good. It has a pretty good drop right through here, and it's going to do what we need to do. But guys, I appreciate y'all sticking around watching the video. Again, thank you to all the new subscribers, and thank you my subscribers that are already with me. And like I said, if you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.